Welcome, all of you. Now we see 500 verbs collection. It is the collection of regular and irregular verbs. Now we can see here root verb, first form of verb, past tense of verb, second form of verb, past participle. It is the third form of verb, present participle. It means the verb ing form. Now we see one by one. Do, did, done, doing, sing, sang, sung, singing, see, saw, seen, seeing, sit, sat, sat, sitting, become, became, become, becoming, bring, brought, bringing, catch, caught, catching, find, found, finding, get, got, getting, hear, heard, hearing, eat, at, eaten, eating, ring, rang, rung, ringing, come, came, coming, go, went, gone, going, make, made, making, take, took, taken, taking, give, gave, given, giving, write, wrote, written, writing, keep, kept, keeping, become, became, becoming, start, started, starting, play, played, playing, killing, wanting, walking, helping, jumping, working, saving, happening, needing, developing, watching, entering, selecting, accepting, stopping, describing, protecting, hug, hugging, arranging, inspiring, including, joining, amusing, comparing, completing, connecting, admiring, meeting, saying, running, selling, sleeping, sending, standing, teach, teaching, win, winning, understanding, breaking, drinking, driving, flying, falling, forgetting, thinking, hiding, rising, mistaking, concluding, answering, applying, appointing, approaching, arming, arresting, acting, arriving, congratulating, attacked, attacking, attend, attended, attended, attending, attract, attracted, attracted, attracting, avoid, avoided, avoided, avoiding, award, awarded, awarded, awarding, test, tested, tested, testing, assist, assisted, assisted, assisting, attach, attached, attached, attaching, release, released, released, releasing, challenge, challenged, challenged, challenging, snatch, snatched, snatched, snatching, propose, proposed, proposed, proposing, prepare, prepared, prepared, preparing, convert, converted, converted, converting, appear, appeared, appeared, appearing, invent, invented, invented, inventing, pick, picked, picked, picking, shout, shouted, shouted, shouting, earn, earned, earn, earning, broadcast, broadcasting, broadcasted, broadcasted, broadcasting, change, change, changed, changing, bury, buried, buried, burying, cancel, cancelled, cancelled, cancelling, chase, chased, chased, chasing, clap, 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 clapping, chart, charted, charted, charting, be, was, been, being, collect, collected, collected, collecting, act, acts, acts, acting, abandon, abandoned, abandoned, abandoning, wake, woke, woken, waking, wear, or, wearing, live, left, left, living, swim, swam, swum, swimming, pay, paid, paid, paying, know, knew, known, knowing, buy, bought, bought, buying, speak, spoke, spoken, speaking, fight, fought, fought, fighting, choose, choose, chosen, choosing, hold, held, held, holding, lay, laid, laid, laying, lead, 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 leading, shine, shone, shone, shining, spoil, spoilt, spoilt, spoiling, sweep, swept, swept, sweeping, dig, dug, dug, digging, throw, threw, thrown, throwing, grow, grew, grown, growing, die, imagine, imagine, imagined, imagine, consider, considered, considered, considering, present, presented, presented, presenting, agree, agreed, agreed, agreeing, narrate, narrated, narrated, narrating, cover, covered, covered, covering, search, 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 searching, obey, obeyed, obeyed, obeying, move, moved, moved, moving, promise, promised, promised, promising, worry, worried, worried, worrying, train, trained, trained, training, maintain, maintained, maintained, maintaining, establish, established, established, establishing, announce, announced, announced, announcing, achieve, achieved, achieved, achieving, across, 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 crossing, adjust, adjusted, adjusted, adjusting, show, showed, showed, showing, require, required, required, requiring, whip, 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 whipping, tear, tore, torn, tearing, blow, blew, blown, blowing, draw, drew, drawn, drawing, wind, on, winding, mean, meant, meant, meaning, hang, hung, hung, hanging, seek, sought, sought, seeking, shooting, ring, rang, rung, ringing, bind, bound, bound, binding, bear, bore, born, bearing, bite, beat, bitten, biting, beat, bitten, beating, bend, bent, bent, bending, bleed, bled, bled, bleeding, forbid, forbid, forbidden, forbidding, forgive, forgave, forgiven, forgiving, grind, ground, ground, grinding, kneel, knelt, knelt, kneeling, liked, liked, liking, live, lived, lived, living, cry, cried, cried, crying, try, tried, tried, trying, soul, 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 slowing, ask, 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 asking, burn, 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 burning, ally, allied, allied, allying, swell, 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 swelling, afraid, afraided, afraided, afraiding, argue, argued, argued, arguing, afford, afforded, afforded, affording, assure, assured, assured, assuring, blame, blamed, blamed, blaming, bath, 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 bathing, bless, blessed, blessed, blessing, flutter, fluttered, fluttered, fluttering, follow, followed, followed, following, fulfill, fulfilled, fulfilled, fulfilling, appreciate, appreciated, appreciated, appreciating, borrow, borrowed, borrowed, borrowing, boast, boasted, boasted, boasting, gather, gathered, gathered, gathering, kill, killed, killed, killing, want, wanted, wanted, wanting, insult, insulted, insulted, insulting, inform, 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 informing, injure, injured, injured, injuring, marry, married, married, marrying, neglect, neglected, neglected, neglecting, arise, arose, arisen, arising, awake, awoke, awoken, awaking, lost, 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 losing, freeze, froze, frozen, freezing, overcome, overcame, overcome, overcoming, overtake, overtook, overtaken, overtaking, overheard, 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 overhearing, overdo, overdid, overdone, overdoing, retake, retook, retaken, retaking, withstand, withstood, withstood, withstanding, behold, beheld, beheld, beholding, befall, befell, befallen, befalling, rewrite, rewrote, rewritten, rewriting, ride, rode, ridden, riding, sink, sank, sunk, sinking, shake, shook, shaken, shaking, steal, stole, stolen, stealing, stick, stuck, stuck, sticking, sting, stung, stung, stinging, swear, sore, sore, swearing, speed, spade, spade, speeding, spite, spat, spat, spiting, spring, sprang, sprung, springing, swing, swang, swung, swinging, resent, 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 rescending, repay, repaid, repaid, repaying, rebuilt, 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 rebuilding, partake, partook, partaken, partaking, creep, crept, crept, creeping, breed, breed, bred, breeding, gaze, 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 gazing, no, not, knowing, grit, gritted, gritted, gritting, guess, guessed, guessed, guessing, hit, hitted, hitted, hitting, hum, hummed, hummed, humming, identify, identified, identified, identifying, ignore, ignored, ignoring, import, imported, imported, importing, increase, increased, increased, increasing, influence, influenced, influenced, influencing, inform, 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 informing, injure, injured, injured, injuring, insult, insulted, insulted, insulting, insisting, interfering, introducing, kicking, judging, investigating, listening, melting, missing, mixing, multiplying, nodding, opposing, refusing, trusting, supervising, qualifying, printing, noticing, observing, nursing, organizing, passing, repeating, receiving, recommending, returning, retiring, posting, practicing, voting, sharpening, rescuing, requesting, regarding, questioning, printing, offering, reserving, preserving, preferring, reading, utilizing, smiling, roaming, separating, electing, fearing, checking, belonging, responding, resting, quitting, testing, serving, translating, wasting, cooking, devoting, forcing, conveying, ailing, bandaging, displaying, detecting, transferring, painting, flowing, suffering, untying, sewing, touching, abandoning, commenting, starving, struggling, sacrificing, codifying, trapping, traveling, expand, expanded, expanded, expanding, capture, captured, captured, capturing, yarning, fix, fixed, fixed, fixing, crush, crushed, crushed, crushing, disappoint, disappointed, disappointed, disappointing, owing, frame, 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 framing, wonder, wondered, wondered, wondering, confer, conferred, conferred, conferring, invade, delayed, delaying, err, erring, disputing, commanding, accompanying, boring, dozing, chopping, fumbling, evoking, electing, curving, enslaving, cheering, supporting, reading, cutting, setting, shutting, hurting, thrusting, hitting, letting, spreading, putting, left, leaping, creeping, seek, seeking, wave, woven, weaving, upholding, unwound, unwinding, swollen, swelling, enslaving, stewing, undergo, underwent, undergone, undergoing, constructing, scaring, recording, purifying, pausing, mentioning, operating, resigning, swallowing, reconciling, peep, peeping, nailing, finalized, finalizing, glancing, owning, conquering, wrist, wristling, stumbling, marveling, postponing, founding, flapping, spelling, persisting, stumbling, seeming, flattering, pretending, pouring, reminding, ringing, clinging, striking, dealing, begotten, begetting, kneeling, sling, slum, slinging, sting, stinging, strive, striven, striving, forsake, forsook, forsaken, forsaking, educating, controlling, fitting, fasting, dwelling, enduring, counting, containing, remarking, surrounding, expecting, cultivating, disappearing, convincing, dividing, expressing, discussing, measuring, excusing, possessed, possessing, muttering, grab, grabbing, existing, exchanging, discovering, embrace, embraced, embraced, embracing, drag, dragged, dragging, exaggerating, dreamed, dreamed, dreaming, experienced, experiencing, plead, pleading, pro, proing, overlooking, stabbing, steering, consenting, pestering, mow, mowing, mocked, mocking, reflecting, absenting, barking, bathed, bathing, confessed, confessing, conflicting, boiling, bore, borrowing, boarding, blushing, condoling, clashing, chuckling, boycotting, blundering, alighting, allowing, abusing, acting, assenting, collaborating, reducing, validating, omitting, progressing, horrified, horrifying, mounting, ignoring, irritating, situate, situating, industrializing, cursing, felicitating, dominating, refining, escaping, estimating, classifying, animating, clarifying, encouraging, negotiating, reproducing, dominating, revising, reserving, estimating, integrating, introducing, involving, accelerating, blackening, venerating, jumbling, jostling, jogging, kindling, crash, crashed, crashing, quilling, trim, trimmed, trimming, yelped, saluting, recognizing, appreciating, cooperating, desiring, disgusting, empowering, instructing, tolerating, thanking. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel and share with your friend.